Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timmy TV and I'm Miss Rachel and Mama Timmy Elijah. Good to have you again. If you are stopping by for the first time, you're welcome to this family. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to enable you get updates each time I post a new video. Alright, today I'll be teaching you how to make your lip scrub and pink lip balm. If you check through our channel, you see we already have 2 videos on how to make your pink lip balm, but you know there are many ways to kill a rat, so there are many ways to achieve a permanent pink lip. If you can't use any of those 2 methods, this is a simple method for everyone, so watch till the end. For our pink lip balm, we need a toothpaste. It must be close up, okay? Close up. Carotene BSC, vitamin E oil, your peppermint oil will serve as your fragrance, and you can use any serum of your choice, but yeah, I'll be using BB Clear serum. You can use carotene serum as well. And finally, our color. For our pink lip scrub, we just need sugar, your regular sugar, vitamin E oil, and your color as well. So let's start with our sugar, our pink lip scrub. You just need this, few drops of your oil, and then you stir. Thoroughly, mix everything together. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use almond oil, you can use carrot oil, you can use coconut oil. Okay, just mix it very well. And then you add in your color, just little. Remember, it's for pink lips, so you definitely need a pink color. I'm gonna add little of this and mix everything together. You can see our pink lip scrub is ready. Very easy to make. All you have to do is scrub your lip very well in a circular motion and then brush with a soft toothbrush, then apply your pink lip balm afterwards. So that's all about the pink lip scrub. Let's get down to the pink lip balm. So you can just put your scrub right into your container. Always use a transparent container for your pink lip balm and your pink lip scrub to make it attractive to your sellers. Okay, just a simple quantity, you can see it. This is our pink lip scrub. So for our pink lip balm, we're doing a small quantity. If you want to do a large quantity for sale, then you can get, I think Carlton has a bigger cream container, you can get that. Okay, you can as well use Caro White for your base cream. This is it. Next thing you want to do is add in your serum. drops. Add in your vitamin E oil to this, little as well. Add in your peppermint oil. That's too much. Your close-up, little. Your color, little of this as well. It's not looking pink here, but when you use it, you'll see the pink color come out. That's okay. And then you mix everything together very well. This is a permanent pink lip balm. You get instant results. Like I added too much color, so please be careful with your color, okay? Don't add too much. Mix thoroughly. So our pink lip balm is ready. You can see, very easy to make. Like I said, always use a transparent container for it. Here's our pink lip scrub and our pink lip balm. Hope you find this video interesting. Remember, this is Timik TV. It's a DIY skincare channel. We do products from lotion, product review, amateur. So to be part of this family, just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so whenever you get update each time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.